Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open OneNote and create a notebook stored in OneDrive so your notes sync across devices. Begin by adding a few sections that map to main topics. Once done, create pages inside those sections for individual meetings or lessons. Use a built-in template or a custom one to keep structure consistent. Make sure to set the notebook color and simple naming convention so you can find things quickly. Start typing or paste content and immediately create a short outline on the page to guide capture. Now focus on capturing and organizing information efficiently. Tag key items like tasks, important notes, and questions so you can filter later. Once tagged, you can search and generate a task list. Insert attachments, record audio during meetings, and paste screenshots. OneNote runs OCR, which makes images searchable. Use internal page links and the page version's history to preserve context and revert when needed. Also try split view to reference one page while you take notes on another, which speed. Finish by refining and sharing your work. Review pages, merge short pages or split long ones, and add a contents page for navigation. Once satisfied, share the notebook link with specific permissions so collaborators can edit or view. Make sure to sync before a meeting to avoid conflicts. If you run into sync errors, check OneDrive storage and connectivity, update the OneNote app, and sign out then sign back in. These steps usually resolve most issues. Finally, export or print key pages for offline reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.